Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at home. Welcome back to your mathematics class. Children, this video is for class 2, subject mathematics, topic division, page number 90, and this video is prepared by Alka Sharma. Children, in this video, we will learn how division and multiplication are related. As we know, multiplication facts give division facts. Multiplication facts give division facts. We use multiplication tables to do division sums. We use multiplication tables to do division sums. Children, here we will learn how multiplication and division are related. In multiplication fact, look, two groups are there and each group has 4 stars. Two groups, 4 stars. So 2 4s are 8. Means two groups of 4 stars give 8 stars. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. 2 4s are 8. In division fact, 8 stars are there and these 8 stars are divided into 2 equal groups and each group has 4 stars. 8 stars divided into 2 equal groups gives 4 stars in each. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. In another division fact, 8 stars are there and these 8 stars are divided into 4 equal groups. And each group has 2 stars. Means 8 stars divided into 4 equal groups gives 2 stars in each. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Multiplication facts give division facts. We use multiplication table to do division sums. Look here, 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. 2 4s are 8. Here in division fact, 8s are there. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 or 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So relation are there. In second example, in multiplication fact, 3 groups are there. In each group, 2 pins are there. In 3 groups, 2 pins are in each. So total number of pins are 6. So 3 2s are 6. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. In division facts, 6 clips are there, and these 6 clips are divided into 3 equal groups. Each group has 2 clips. 6 clips divided into 3 equal groups gives 2 clips in each. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 3 twos are 6. In second division fact, 6 clips are there, and these clips are divided into 2 equal groups. Each group has 3 clips. Each group has 3 clips. 6 clips divided into 2 equal groups gives 3 clips in each. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 2 threes are 6. So we use multiplication table to do division fact. One more example is here to show multiplication and division are related. Here 4 groups of 3 pencils are given. 4 groups are there, and each group has 3 pencils. So 4 threes are 12. 4 1 is 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. In division facts, 12 pencils are there. 12 pencils divided into 4 equal groups. In multiplication, 4 groups are there and each group has 3 pencils. So 4 threes are 12. Total pencils are 12. But in division, 12 pencils are there and these pencils are divided into 4 equal groups. Gives 3 pencils in each. 12 pencils divided into 4 equal groups, and each group has 3 pencils. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. In next division fact, 12 pencils are there and these are divided into 3 equal groups. Twelve pencils divided into 3 equal groups gives 4 pencils each. Each group has 4 pencils. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Multiplication facts give division facts. 4 threes are 12. In division fact, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 or 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. We use multiplication tables to do division facts. 4 threes are 12. Here 3 fours are 12. Children, I hope you all have understood the relation between division and multiplication. Now in next video, we will use multiplication tables to do division sums. Thank you.